Hi guys, today we are in my backyard. Yes, I know you'll be like, Bivon, why? Why you travel? You don't go to a backyard? Well guys, you're thinking wrong. I traveled 17 steps to my backyard. So, today we are going to make a pond in our backyard. As you can see behind me, we have all the tools there. So I am a member of the Willerton Scout group. We are going to make a pond. That is a part of my school holiday project. And the reason I'm doing this because of them. So, let's go ahead and do it. Guys, we are going to turn that boring place into a beautiful waterfall plus pond. So, we are about to dig the pond, and my plan is to make the pond facing that way. So when you look from that window over there, it looks like it's been bonded to nature. We are about to dig a pond. It's too dusty, so we need to get the soil wet. So the dust will get wet too. This looks like paradise. Our last step is to fill this up and then we're ready to go. The concrete is probably dry by now. I'll check. And if it is, paradise starts. So guys, we have finally finished our pond. I hope my scout leader will like it. We have the beauty and the pond all together. This makes something amazing, and now I will show you the finale by showing you the waterfall running itself. So just stay there.